Welcome to Talk in English. I am Ria, and I am so excited to have you here. Do you want to improve your English speaking skills? Then this video is just for you. Today, I'm going to share what I usually do on weekends. I'm excited to share my weekend routine with you. If you love weekends, you'll relate to my story. Last weekend was really nice and refreshing. On Saturday, I woke up a bit late and enjoyed a cup of hot tea. Then I helped my mother with some household chores. Around noon, we went shopping at the local market. We bought fresh vegetables, some fruits, and a few household items. After that, I watched a comedy movie and laughed a lot. In the evening, I went out with my friends. We went to a nearby park, walked around, and talked for a long time. At night, I returned home. On Sunday, I spent some time reading a storybook. Then I organized my study table and completed all my homework. Later, I helped my mom in the kitchen and learned how to cook a simple dish. At night, we all sat together and had dinner as a family. It was a peaceful and joyful weekend. I wish every weekend could be like this.